Hi, my kindergarten friends. This is especially for you. Maybe some of my first graders who are my brand new students learning English for the first time. This is something I've noticed we've been confusing. These two letters, when we see them in their uppercase form, can be really tricky to tell the difference between. So I've got a fun book of each. And I want you to trace the letter. I'm going to hold it up nice and close. And I want you to trace the letter with your finger, just like this. Straight line down, slant line in, and kick it on out. This is the letter K. K like king. K says k. The back of your tongue touches the roof of your mouth, and you say k. 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 We're going to see lots of words that start with k, and I want you to trace the K, cake, on every page. This is a K. King Charles Cavalier is that cute little dog's name. This is by Trace Taylor. Capital K, like key. This was our title page. Now we have lowercase k words. Kite. Again, I want you to pause the video. Trace that K. Kittens. K. The first sound in kittens is K. Karate. Trace that K. K. Kick. K. Now, we don't often confuse the lowercase r and the lowercase k, or the lowercase r with any k for that matter, but there is a difference between the R and the K. The K is open on top, and the R is closed and curved. Ketchup. K. Kiss. K. Keys. K. King. K. Kangaroo. Koala. K. Notice that I'm making the first sound in each word, and it is the sound that the K makes, because I want you to say that out loud so you can put this in your long-term memory. That means it's going back here and you're remembering it forever. Keyboard. K. Oh, keyboard. K. It's a different kind of keyboard. There's a keyboard for our computer and a keyboard that you play. It's like an electronic piano. Kitchen. K. Kettle. K. Use that to make some tea. Here are some more words to practice the letter K. Ketchup. K. Kitten. K. Kangaroo. Keyboard. Find the K pictures. This is a ball. A kazoo, if you've never seen one. Keys. Kettle. Does that start with K? A duck. Duck. D. Uck. It starts with D, but ends with K. And kite begins with K. There's our K. Are you ready for the R? Capital R. Let's trace it. Straight line down. Curve line bumps around and then kicks back out. Slant line down. R. Robot. R. There's our title page. This is also by Trace Taylor. I need to move this over. Rabbits. R. Raccoon. R. Raspberries. R. Ribbon. R. Rats. R. This is one we can sound out, so for those of you also in first grade, we're doing this now. Rats. Rooster. I should point to that. Robot. Race car. Rocks. Refrigerator. What's the first sound in refrigerator? Yes, I think you were getting a little tired of me saying Rainbow. Recycle. That means to put things in a bin so they can be made into other things. Rake. That's a rake. This lady's raking. Probably her leaves. And reader. Just like you. Racket. Ooh, you play tennis with a racket or badminton with a racket. Rain boots. Rag. Another word we can sound out. Let me hold this one nice and close for you. Let's sound it out. Rag. Rag. Ruler. That's a tool we use in school to measure. And rocket. Circle the R pictures with your finger. Have fun. Practice this again. And I hope that now you can tell the difference between the capital, I pointed on the wrong side, the capital R and our capital K. Capital R is closed on the top with a curved line. Capital K is open. It has a slant line. Please trace these once again with your finger and say R and say K. Always practice reading. Don't get frustrated if you mess it up the first time. Try again. See you next time.